How to find a job on LinkedIn. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find that dream job. Now, LinkedIn is a great platform for looking for jobs, and I'm going to show you a few ways that you can land that perfect job. Let us jump straight in. The first thing we're going to do here is we're going to make sure that our profile is complete. So you can access your profile on the left hand side by clicking on your name. Over here you can see that this is what your profile looks like to the public. So the first thing you want to do is go down over here to the add profile section, and you can see here that there are three main sections that you can add to your profile: core, recommended, and additional. So under core, you can add your bio, you can add education, position, a career break, and you can also add skills. Going into the recommended, you can add features, licenses, and certificates. You can also add projects, courses, and recommendations. And right over here under additional, you can add volunteer experience, publications, patents, honors and awards, test scores, languages, organizations, and causes. I suggest you go through each and every one of those sections and put in as much information as you possibly can. Another section over here, if you go up to the right hand side on your profile page, it says public profile and URL. We're going to tap on the little pencil icon, and over here on the right hand side it says edit content, and we're going to tap on that. Now here you can edit everything about your profile. Over here it says I can still complete 2 steps to achieve all star, and we're going to go here and you can add your current position that you are working in, and I suggest you do so because when a recruiter looks at your profile, they don't want to see that you're currently unemployed. They want to see that you are currently in a position. And then you can also write a summary to highlight your personality or your work experience. So I suggest again also that you add that summary in there. Going down now, you can see that there is experience, and this tab over here, I suggest that this tab is as full as possible with all of the relative experience that you have. Also, looking at skills, you want to make sure that you go in here and you kit it out as much as possible so that potential recruiters are looking at your profile and they're seeing all of the skills that you possess. So when they look at you as a potential employee for their company, they can see that you possess the correct skills. So now we're going to jump into the jobs tab up at the top of the page, and I'm going to show you a nice way to connect directly with a recruiter. So you're going to now look for a job. So we're going to just go ahead and say video editor, and we're going to tap on enter, and of course this is relevant to any job that you want. Now it's important to look through the job details so that you know this job is appropriate for you. So you can have a look through the about, the company description, also the role description of the position you're applying for. It's also important to see that the qualifications are within your qualifications, and then it gives you a roundup of how you actually match for the job over here. And once you go all the way down, you can see that it says about the company, and you're going to tap on that name. From this page, you're going to look at the top of the toolbar, and it says home, about, posts, jobs, and people. We're going to go into people. Now, right over here, when this opens, you can see that you can search types of people. So employees by title, keyword, or school. And over here, we're going to type in recruiter. Now, if recruiter is not here, and they don't have in-house recruiters, as you can see over here, what you can do is you can clear all of that, and you can go down here, and it says that there are 48 associated members, and now you can look through the members and you can directly connect with either a recruiter, somebody within the human resources department, or anybody else that is connected to hiring. You can connect directly with these people, and this is always a nice way because you are now connecting with a person that could potentially be doing the hiring for the potential position. You can now tell them a little bit more about yourself and ask them as to how you can apply for the position and have a bit of an advantage. Now, this may seem like the incorrect way to do so because there is actually a job portal or an easy apply button on the job itself, but In this way, recruiters can see that you've made the extra effort to go ahead and contact them directly, and this might put you in a better position when looking at hiring. One of the other things that you can do here is, when looking through the people inside of this company that work for this company, you can go ahead and look for somebody here that has a similar or the same position that you are wanting to apply for. So I would go down here and look for the video editor, or like this person over here is the photography, videography, writing, and graphic design. I would go ahead and connect with him and ask him for a referral. Now, a referral can be great because the company already knows this member and trusts this member. Now, if this person has a look at your resume and has a look at what your portfolio actually looks like, he may be able to recommend you for the position you are applying for. And again, as I said, they already know and trust this person, so they may take his opinion or his recommendation more seriously than just seeing your resume without that recommendation or the referral. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you is we have to go back to our profile. So on the right hand side at the top, you're going to tap on your name and you're going to tap on view profile. Now, this is a way that you can stand out to recruiters. Over here, you can see it says open to work, and you're going to tap on show details. And over here, you can see all of the details of what you are open for and where you are open for. So we're going to go ahead and we can tap on the pen or pencil icon, and here you can indicate what type of job you are open and available for. You can also select a location type such as remote, hybrid, and then you can go ahead and you can select your location. You can also select the remote location and your start date. If you are immediately and actively applying, you can select the first option. If you're flexible and you're sort of casually looking, you can select the second option. Then you can also select the type of employment you're looking for. And then the last part, which is very important, if you select recruiters only, then only recruiters will be able to see your open to work status. If you're tapping on all LinkedIn members, your current employer may see this and wonder why you're looking for another position, and that might create complications for you. When you are done here, you're going to tap on save, and that will now be saved. The last thing I'm going to show you is going into the more tab over here underneath your name and your profile, and here you can tap on build a resume. Now, this is very awesome. Over here you have the option to either create a resume with your LinkedIn profile, and you'll just go through the processes of filling in all of the details, and then you can also upload a 5 megabyte docx or PDF file, and you can use that resume and it'll show up on your LinkedIn profile. Currently it is unavailable for me. It says the upload resume functionality is temporarily unavailable, but usually you will have a button here. You can tap on that and you can upload it. And there we go, folks. That is how you can nail that perfect dream job that you want straight on LinkedIn, quickly and easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to smash up that subscribe button, and we'll see you in another video. Happy job hunting, people. Bye bye.